I just went to do an Insta story after having filmed this video, and I've just realised that I had something in my teeth from eating pasta 10 minutes before this video, and that something was in my teeth throughout the whole of the video that I just filmed. If that is not the most me thing ever, I don't know what is. Enjoy. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then maybe welcome to my channel if you're just joining now, but this is a pretty important video. So 2 days ago, I think it was 2 days ago, what day is it today? Tuesday? 2 days ago on Sunday, this channel reached 1 million subscribers, which I can't even comprehend that amount of people. And if you've been watching me for the past kind of like few months, I've been saying that it was my goal for the end of the year to reach 1 million subscribers, and I actually think last year I wrote down my goals for 2019, and obviously like I don't always reach all of my goals for the year, but I do like to set some goals, and I think my goal for the end of the year was to get to 1 million, but I'd put in brackets like probably not gonna happen. I didn't think that it would happen, but I mean, I guess got very lucky in the fact that during this year my channel's like continued to do really well, and you guys have still been wanting to subscribe. I'm not really sure why. Okay, I need to stop with the whole like self-deprecating thing for just one video, because I'm actually really proud of myself, and even though I haven't been the most consistent with my channel this year, I've still worked so hard to get to like this point. When I first started doing YouTube, I think it was 4.5 years ago. I think my channel turns 5 in February. I just started it as a hobby. I was little 18-year-old Soph, and I just started my YouTube channel just for a bit of fun, and I did plan on doing nail videos. As we all know, my channel was Soph Does Nails, but don't know if you've noticed, you might not have actually noticed because it doesn't look too different. Soph Does Nails is dead. I have now changed my channel to Sophdoeslife. And I've got rid of Soph Does Nails on everything. I mean, my Snapchat's still Soph Does Nails, but I don't even use Snapchat anymore, so my updated YouTube handle is Sophdoeslife. My Twitter is now Sophdoeslife. My Instagram is just @Soph, which is the coolest thing in the whole world. And I decided that it was time for a change, because even though I started this channel back when my Instagram was just nail stuff, it was just Soph Does Nails, I did a nail picture every day with different nail designs. To be fair, my nails actually look decent today. I've got little snowflakes on these fingers and my thumbs, then I've got some glitter. I made an effort the other day. I used to do my nails all the time, and I did intend for this channel to be mostly nail based with a bit of makeup, but then when I started filming nail videos, I realised that I actually really hated filming videos of me doing my nails because it was really difficult. It would take me like 3 hours to film one video, and it just wasn't for me. So I still kept up with the nail pictures. After a while, they slowly dropped off on my Instagram, and then my channel moved more into like beauty, fashion and lifestyle stuff, I guess. So after being Soph Does Nails for nearly 5 years now, I've decided it's time for a change, because this channel is not about nails, it's about me and my life. So I thought Soph Does Life was a lot more fitting. I'm sorry to those of you that are gonna miss Soph Does Nails. I will miss Soph Does Nails too, but I think we can all agree it was definitely time for that change, because I don't do nails anymore. I mean, I still do my own nails, but I don't really post about them that often. So, but yeah, I felt like I should make this video because I didn't want to like just move on with my videos without acknowledging that change and without saying a massive, massive thank you to you guys for getting me to this stage of my channel and my career, I guess, and life. Because if it wasn't for you guys watching my videos, supporting me, subscribing, leaving me comments, liking my videos, you know, just engaging with me in general, then I would never be at this point in my life that I am now. And my channel would never obviously be this big without you, because you are the reason I've got all these subscribers, because that is you guys. I just wanted to say a massive, massive thank you. I'm actually just gonna insert a little bit of vlog footage from when I actually reached 1 million subscribers.
Wait, eastwards and over, it's still quite cold. Temperatures around.
I'm 7 away. 5 away. Oh my god, Mum, I'm nearly there. No, it's 2 away. Oh my god. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 8. Dad, whatever you do, please do not pop champagne over me, because it will get off my laptop. 1 million subscribers! Yay! Oh my god. YouTubers are gonna think we've gone insane. I've just been reading through everyone's comments on my Instagram post, and like and seeing my friends post stories and everything, and I just feel really emotional because, like, I don't know, basically it was mostly what my best friend Ellie posted on her story that set me off, because she posted a bunch of old pictures of us, and like it just made me think that so much has changed since I started my channel. Like, I was an 18-year-old super like not necessarily shy, but just like awkward and anxious 18-year-old, and I started my channel and did not ever think that it would get to this point. And I just feel like, well, YouTube has changed my whole life. It's just made me so much more of a confident person, and like I've grown so much as a person since starting my channel, and just in like me, my confidence and my happiness, I guess, and just general life stuff. And obviously, like, I've had so many amazing opportunities through YouTube, and that literally none of that would have happened. I wouldn't be able to live such a cool, like, fun life if it wasn't for YouTube. So starting my channel was literally the best thing that I ever did. And obviously, like, if you guys weren't subscribed, then I would not be in this position right now. So yeah, I'm very, very, very grateful for all of you that have like subscribed and supported me, and I just need to say a massive thank you, really, because without all of you guys I would not be in the position that I am now, and I'm so, so lucky and so grateful. And yeah, just feeling really proud of myself and emotional, and I'm probably just gonna sit here and read through some more people's comments and cry, but I'm really happy. These are happy tears. So yeah, I did get a little bit emotional, and then yesterday at my Christmas party with my management, we had like a Christmas lunch. They presented me with my 1,000,000 subscriber plaque. Actually, I'm gonna go and get it. And you know what? I then had to carry this around London and take it home, and obviously this is not gonna fit in a bag. But that was such a special moment because I was not expecting this. Normally I have to apply for them and YouTube will send them to you in the post. But they obviously have been tracking my progress and had realised that I was about to hit 1 million. So a couple of weeks ago they got into contact with YouTube and asked if they could have it early, and then they presented it to me yesterday with a load of my friends there, which was really nice actually. And this is the button. So you get a letter from the CEO of YouTube. I'm sure you guys have seen this for other people that have hit 1 million. Susan Wojcicki. Sorry Susan, not quite sure how to pronounce your last name. Oh god, am I gonna break it? This is the one time I need to not drop stuff in my videos. This is it! How cool is that? And they did get it with Soph Does Nails on, which I'm so relieved, because I was gonna, like when I applied for this myself, I was gonna get them to have Soph Does Nails written on it, because obviously that's what my channel was for all of this time, and up to the point of 1 million subscribers, I was called Soph Does Nails. So yeah, I'm really glad that they got that on it, and I think it's beautiful. It looks really nice, and when I move out I'm going to be hanging this on my wall. So annoyingly, I don't have a new intro yet, just because I made my intro, which has got my social media handles on it. It does just say Soph, but it's got my Twitter and my Facebook page as being Soph Does Nails, and I need to change my intro, but I made that intro on Adobe Premiere Pro, and since then I've switched over to Final Cut and I don't have Premiere Pro anymore, so that's going to be a bit of a tricky one to work around, but I'm sure I'll figure it out, but not before this video. And obviously, with 1 million subscribers comes a giveaway. Did you really think I'd get to 1 million and not do a giveaway? So I have got 2 massive boxes that are full of makeup, and in that box we've got like Urban Decay Naked Honey palette, I've got the new Patricia Bright stuff, I've got stuff, other stuff from Revolution, I've got more stuff from Urban Decay, I've got stuff from Ofra, I've got stuff from Unicorn Cosmetics. Pretty much every brand that I've ever featured on my channel, there is stuff in that giveaway box from those brands. And I'm going to be doing, on my channel, I'm going to be giving away 5 shoe boxes full of makeup to 5 of you guys. I'm then going to be doing 2 extra giveaways, one on my Twitter and one on my Instagram. So in total, there's going to be 7 prizes, just because obviously like Twitter and Instagram are still a part of this, but I also wanted it to be fair enough so that 5 of you guys that watch my YouTube channel will have a chance of winning a box. But I promise once I move house, I'm going to be doing even more giveaways because I need to get rid of a lot of my stuff. So I'm going to curate some little boxes that have got a mixture of everything. There will be eyeshadow palettes, highlighters, lip products, probably like eyeliners, brushes. I'm gonna do them kind of as equally as I can, just so that you guys have a chance to win kind of like a full makeup kit with stuff that you can use and incorporate into your makeup, like, what's it called? Collection. I will be hosting the Instagram and Twitter giveaways separately, so if you want to take part in those as well, make sure you follow me over there and I'll do like separate giveaway posts with separate rules and everything. But for my YouTube giveaway for the 5 boxes of stuff, all you've got to do is make sure you're subscribed to my channel, obviously, because this is for subscribers. Leave me a comment down below, let me know when you discovered my channel and what video was like the first video that you watched or the first video that you remember or your favourite video. Basically like a video on my channel which was the kind of thing that made you want to subscribe, I guess. And also please if you have one, leave a either Twitter handle, Instagram handle, so that I can contact you if you're one of the winners, because the YouTube messaging feature is really bad and it's a lot easier to contact you via social media. But if you don't have social media, don't worry, just let me know and then I'm sure we can figure something out. If you comment more than about 5 times, YouTube will take that as spam, so that is just something to consider. I wouldn't enter like loads of times because then YouTube just thinks that you're spamming and it will hide all the comments, so you won't actually be entered. I will be picking the winners this Saturday, which I think is the 14th. So that gives you guys 5 days to enter, and then probably on the weekend I will then sort out the Instagram and the Twitter giveaways as well. So yeah, I guess that's kind of it. I don't even really know what to say. Thank you guys so much for joining me over the past like nearly 5 years that I've been doing this. If you've been here since the very beginning, thank you so much. If you've just joined, thank you so much. So I hope you guys are really well. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm now gonna go and edit this and stare at my lovely plaque, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Oh man, this is heavy.